Guys, Ratan here. Welcome to my channel, The Daru TV. So today we have our guest, Mr. Shreyas. Shreyas, welcome to our channel. This is your first time. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling quite great, quite elated. In fact, I'll have to give a review saying that Ratan has been quite well in his videos. I was quite enticed into his videos as well, so I'm quite elated and excited to be here.
Okay, thank you, Shreyas, for your compliments. Compliments, right?
For sure, yeah, you do deserve it. Yeah.
Okay, thanks a lot. And guys, before starting our video, this shirt, as you guys know from the last videos, we have launched our own website, the Daru & Co, our own brand, Daru & Co, and we are selling these kind of printed t-shirts. So we have this launch offer going on, $3.99 only. And Shreyas, I just want to ask an honest review from your end. You have bought this shirt and it's been more than a week, I think. So how is the quality of the shirt?
I guess initially I was quite excited to look at the captions that were there. I mean, it's kind of cool as well, and it's quite comfortable on the body as well. I believe it's quite good. It's quite good, and it's worth the money as well. $3.99, I guess, go-to t-shirt.
Yeah, $3.99 it would be only the launch offer. After that we'll be pricing it more. But guys, right now it's $3.99. Go and get it. I'll be putting the website link below. Go and buy it.
I believe, guys, this is the right time to buy them before the launch also does close. I guess you'll have to go for it for sure.
Yeah, kind of. He speaks like a kind of UK cum US English combined. If you guys can't understand, I will translate. So today we'll be reviewing Goanas. Goanas, it is actually a wine from Ramnagara, which is in Karnataka, Ramnagara district, which is in Karnataka, which is nearby Bangalore. Never tried it. It is a cheap wine which we bought because right now we don't have our budget to buy expensive drinks. As you know, Corona has fucked everyone, so we have only a constant budget. And today we are going to review Goanas. So have you tried Goanas?
Not yet. I'm more of kind of a beer and a scotch guy, so this is the first time I'm in fact trying wine.
Yeah, he is a beer and a scotch guy. Listen to. Okay, guys, let's get started.
I guess the package is quite pretty neat, simple, and looks sophisticated as well. Even though it's a local drink.
Some kind of apples, fruits in these covers, right? Expensive fruits in these kind of covers. So, how do you like the packaging? It is quite small and it looks like home-wide wine, like whatever I made in the channel. It looks like the same, the color. So we'll just open it and pour ourselves a drink and we'll taste.
Sure.
Shreyas, as you know, we usually do the color, the smell and the taste. So we'll start off with the smell. What do you smell?
I guess it's a typical wine taste, I believe. I mean, I get the grape smell as well onto my nose, and a bit of wineish smell is also there for sure.
So if you guys can't understand what he's talking, I'll just translate. He's telling that we are actually smelling grapes in it. Yes, because this is a grape wine. You are absolutely right. You get the sweetness of the wine, and also you get this nice sourness also. The yeastiness of the wine.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
Right. So we'll do the tasting. Cheers. What do you say?
I guess the grapes taste obviously does hit onto the palates. I guess apart from that, the yeasting that's been there, which is justified for a wine, also can be tasted as well. I believe, I guess it's kind of a typical wine, and I believe it's a try one should make for sure.
So guys, if you guys have not understood, I'll translate it again. So the thing he's telling you is, it surely tastes like wine, but actually when you taste it, you'll surely get the sourness of it. You actually get to know it is a cheap wine because it is not as smooth, it is not as sophisticated as other wines which we are drinking, and also it has a bit of bitterness. Like, what do you say?
Yeah, that's there for sure. This bitterness is quite there in it. I mean, for the money, what it's been addressed for, I believe it's a good wine for the money that's paid. Yeah.
So the thing is, I want to translate this also to you guys because You guys should be knowing this tastes like wine only, right? Okay, guys. So to be frank, this is actually a cheap wine. I didn't like it because it doesn't have that nice smoothness. You don't have that nice feeling of sipping a wine, because I have made many better homemade wines at my place actually. So what difference I get is this has a lot of artificial flavors in this, and also they have added a lot of sugar, because you get that sweetness which I don't like in a wine.
As I said, I'm a first timer, so it's a different kind of taste for me apart from beer and scotch. So yeah, I'm quite enjoying it, given the fact that I'm having it for the first time.
Yeah, because coming to the price and rating. So rating, I would give this around 6 out of 10. How do you say, like what rating would you give?
I guess it would be same around 6.5 to 7 is what.
6 out of 10, because I am not a big fan of this Goanna's wine, because it is cheap. Okay, cheap is better, but the taste, I'm not liking it. So coming to the price, so for 180 ml we paid around 45 rupees. Yes, it is cheap, you guys can drink, but I won't recommend you guys to have this, because you have better wines. Just pay around like 200 or 300 extra, you'll get a full bottle of Sula wine. It is too good, but this one I won't recommend it because I didn't like it.
I guess then I'll have to definitely give a try for the other wines that you recommend for sure.
Yeah.
I guess you're nearing 10,000 subscribers, so obviously I would definitely take your feedback for sure.
So guys, 10,000. So I'm around 8,600 subscribers as of now doing the video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. We'll make sure we hit 10k, and guys, 10k special. I know we'll be making a 10k special video wherein I'll be reviewing Chivas Regal, the Royal Salute from Chivas Royal Salute 21, and also I'll be giving away 5 t-shirts from my own brand, the Daru & Co.
And it's worth hitting the bell icon as well enough to get updated
so
with videos.
Let them first like the video,
Of course.
and share the video, and also
Subscribe and bell button for sure.
not bell bottom, hit the bell icon,
button,
bell button,
Yep.
so that you get notified every time when I upload a new video. So guys, till my next video, remember,
Drink responsibly and be a good citizen.
the last one I'm not into that. So drink responsibly, drive safe, and cheers guys.